Upgrade your driving experience with the OBDPEAK K4 11.26-inch CarPlay and Android Auto 4K Wi-Fi dashcam rearview mirror. This advanced device combines the functionality of a rearview mirror, dashcam, GPS navigation, and video recorder into one feature-rich unit. With a large 11.26-inch display and dual lenses for 4K recording, this device offers a comprehensive solution for in-car safety, navigation, and entertainment. OBDPEAK K4 CarPlay features 11.26-inch touchscreen display. Immerse yourself in the large 11.26-inch touchscreen display that serves as both a rearview mirror and a control center for various in-car functions. Navigate through features, control settings, and enjoy a clear view of the road behind you. CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Seamlessly integrate your smartphone with CarPlay or Android Auto, bringing your favorite apps, navigation, and music directly to the dashcam display. Stay connected and entertained without distraction. 4K 2160p dual lens recording. Capture crystal clear footage with the dual lenses capable of recording in 4K resolution, 2160p. The front and rear cameras provide comprehensive coverage, ensuring that you capture every detail on the road. Wi-Fi connectivity. Connect to Wi-Fi for seamless updates, app downloads, and sharing of footage. Enjoy the convenience of wireless connectivity for a more streamlined user experience. GPS navigation. Benefit from built-in GPS navigation, providing real-time directions, turn-by-turn guidance, and points of interest. Enhance your driving experience with reliable navigation directly on the rearview mirror. Video recorder. The OBDPEAK K4 functions as a dedicated video recorder, capturing important moments on the road. The footage can be crucial for insurance claims, accident investigations, or simply reliving memorable journeys. Dual functionality. Serving as both a rearview mirror and a multifunctional device, the OBDPEAK K4 enhances convenience by consolidating several in-car accessories into one unit. This dual functionality optimizes space and reduces clutter on your dashboard. Easy installation. Designed for easy installation, the OBDPEAK K4 can be seamlessly integrated into various vehicle models, providing an instant upgrade to your in-car capabilities. Upgrade your driving experience with the OBDPEAK K4 11.26-inch CarPlay and Android Auto 4K Wi-Fi dashcam rearview mirror. Enjoy the benefits of advanced technology, safety features, and entertainment options, all within the convenience of a single device.